Hey there, local business owners. Are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest website builder currently on the market for beginners. It's perfect for you if you're not very tech savvy. You can literally do this all yourself because it doesn't involve any coding at all. You absolutely don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. So let's get started. Let's jump in. Let me show you how to create a website for your local business on the MartySites platform. If you've just stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple, and as mentioned, you absolutely don't need to know any coding at all. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services just to try the platform. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. So let's say, for example, your local business is a house cleaning service. I'm now going to go ahead and search for that. You also have the option to select the general restaurant, retail store, and service business templates. Great. Let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our local business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in a few basic details like your company name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click that continue button, MartySites will generate a simple website for your business with the information you just put in literally instantly. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website, but I'm going to close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make changes to your brand new local business website. The great thing about the MartySites platform and what makes us a little bit different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written all the content and pre-selected all the images as well that are specific to the market that you have chosen. However, you can change the images, you can change the text as well, the content, make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. And as mentioned, to make any changes, you absolutely don't need to know any coding. You don't need to have any web development skills. This is perfect for people that are not very tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top and start making a few minor edits so you can see how easy it is to use. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. It's now visible. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location, maybe your website, your business is mobile or online. You can leave this part off, but when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. How convenient is that? Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website so your customers can give you a follow, social media, and get some engagement going. In the next section, if you have a business logo, you can upload it. You can make edits to your logo by clicking on the little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo, make it fit perfectly into that section at the top. To change the colors used throughout your brand new website, you don't need to know color coding, of course. Just go through the various color palette options by clicking on that little paint icon bottom right hand corner. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to change it up, maybe change that content, put a little bit more information about your very own business, or the call to action buttons, the images, click on that handy button underneath each section. Over here, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. Just change the keywords to suit your local business and you will have hundreds of free high quality images pop up. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to, even uploading a PDF file, maybe with more details on your rates or pricing points. Underneath another website, you can pop in the URL, maybe for a calendar booking website like Calendly. A lot of our customers make use of that program. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Marti dashboard. Now, perhaps you've already purchased a custom domain for your local business. That was a very smart move because having a custom domain for your website makes it look more professional. You absolutely can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. Marti Sites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your domain super easy. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you can click on that button as well and actually purchase a custom domain via the Marti Sites platform. I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your local business on the Marti Sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business Marti success. And if you have any questions about the Marti Sites platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to check out our other videos for some great tips and advice for marketing your local business.